Hi and welcome back to Smart Extension Services. If you're new here, I'm Lonis, livestock expert, and in this channel we normally provide the best livestock tips. So today's video we're going to talk about dairy farming. So first of all, we'll begin with the basic. What is dairy farming? Dairy farming is the rearing of buffalo, cattle, and dairy goat for the purpose of getting milk. And the milk that we derive from these animals can be value added to other products like cheese, ghee, and fermented milk. So having known that what is dairy farming, let us go to importance of dairy farming. There are several reasons why you should venture into dairy farming, and one of it is source of nutritious food. The milk that we get from these animals is packed with nutrients like protein, minerals, and vitamins. So all these nutrients are very crucial for children, pregnant women, elderly people, and also adults. The second point is regular income for farmers. When you decide to venture into this enterprise, there is assurance of you getting income or regular income out of this enterprise. And the income you get it from selling the milk. For example, the dairy cattle are usually in milk in a year, like 305 days in a year, they're always in milk. So there is that assurance of regular income. When we compare it to crop, the income is seasonal, but for the dairy cattle or for the dairy animals, you can be assured of regular income. Employment opportunities. These animals need to be taken care of, and there are several activities that are involved in taking care of these animals, such as feeding, housing, milking, and also cleaning. So you can employ someone to do this activity, or you can be self-employed to carry out this activity. And another point is support of agriculture. The animal waste that we get from this animal can be used to improve our soil fertility at the field. And the crop residue that we get, we can feed to the animal, and this help in environmental conservation also. So this is a very low investment but high potential enterprise. You can start small and gradually increase. You can begin with 1 or 2 cattle, and with time you can the money or the income that you have received from 1 and 2 dairy, you can reinvest it back, and also you can invest it back and your enterprise will grow. That's the reason why it's a low investment, but the end is a high potential enterprise. So don't think twice in dairy farming, because there are several reasons why you should venture into this enterprise. First, the source of income, you'll get nutritious food, you'll improve your soil fertility at agricultural fields, and you'll start small but gradually grow, and also you'll create employment to your family, to household members, and also to other community members in your rural setup. So if you find this video insightful, give it a like, share, comment, and stay tuned for the next video, because we'll be talking about dairy cattle breed.